What's the meaning of clatter? Clatter. Clatter.
Clatter. Clatter. Clatter refers to a loud, repetitive noise that occurs when multiple hard objects collide or strike a surface. The sound produced by clattering is often harsh, jarring, and uneven, with a distinct rhythmic quality. This type of noise can be caused by a variety of sources, such as falling dishes, clanging metal pipes, or pounding footsteps on a hard floor. The result of clattering is typically a chaotic and disruptive auditory experience that can be unpleasant or even alarming depending on the volume and frequency of the noise.